Drought and floods. Drought. We depend on rainwater for most of our needs. In our country, rains are seasonal. In most parts, it rains after the hot summer. Agriculture is dependent on rains. As a result, any change in the average rainfall in a region affects farming. When there is no rainfall, or if a region receives less rainfall, day-to-day life is affected adversely. There will be a shortage of drinking water. Crops will fail due to scanty rain, and livestock also will get affected. If a region does not get adequate rainfall for successive years, it causes drought in the region. In drought conditions, the land dries up without water. It is not possible to grow crops or provide fodder for cattle. This leads to food shortage, resulting in acute malnutrition and even death due to starvation. Floods. Too much rain is also unfavorable. Excessive rain in a region leads to accumulation of water in lakes and rivers. Rivers overflow into adjoining land, resulting in floods. In coastal areas, flooding is caused by cyclones. Floodwaters submerge the lands and destroy the crops, other vegetation, and animal life. There is a great loss of houses and properties. Drinking water becomes polluted, and there is danger of epidemic diseases like typhoid and cholera breaking out. Floods are also responsible for the removal of topsoil layer, that is, soil erosion.